What's up, everyone? This is going to be a quick review of the Thorogood 6-inch Moc Toe boots. This is their red mahogany, I think it is, color. And this is just a work review to see the durability of these boots. I think that these boots are the most comfortable boots that I've ever used. You can see there's a crack here. So some of the durability issues obviously are the sole has started to coming off. I've had these boots about 6 months, and the wear is better in previous boots that I've had, but I have been getting Thorogoods for a few years. You can see certain spots in the back. Sometimes this lacing will come loose here. I have oiled these maybe once every 2 or 3 months maybe. So I don't know if you can see the toe wear, pretty heavy toe wear from doing carpentry here in Chicago. So yeah, this is just a quick overlook at how they have been wearing down. This is probably the biggest issue to me for this pair. Also the soles I think wear out a bit faster than I'd like. I hope usually to get maybe 2 years out of a pair of boots, but I think these are, in previous years, have gotten me about 1.5 years maybe. Some people put toe protectors on the front, but I've noticed that takes away from the visual aesthetics of how these boots look, and I really like the style and look. Yeah, ultimately they are very comfortable. I'd say that's the best quality. The leather is very supple and soft too, which molds to your foot. So people say they're not the greatest for winter time and warmth, but I, working in Chicago, am out in the snow a lot too, and I haven't had any problem with that. Basically just wearing warm socks to compensate, I think. Yeah, so love these boots. I would recommend them. I may have gotten a specific factory malfunction for this, because this has never happened to me before this quickly. Anyways, I would definitely recommend the Thorogood 6-inch Moc Toe. Alright,